everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia. Today I'm going to be doing a fun video. I really enjoyed filming this. This is the Boxyluxe try-on video. Unboxing. I never can like figure out what I'm going to call this. It's like Boxyluxe unboxing try-on. You can tell my lip and my eyes don't match, but it's because I got like a cool tone lip color and a warm tone palette. The theme for this month is La Vie en Rose, and it's very, very pretty. I really like this theme of the whole box is very beautiful. You guys don't know, BOXYCHARM is a monthly subscription, and usually on the months you don't get Boxyluxe, you just get the regular Boxy or box. So this is what the Boxyluxe looks like. It's pretty big. It's pretty big compared to the regular size. It's really big. I got some really good stuff in here that you got. Like, it's just, this box retails for over $200, like close to $200 to like close to $300, which is insane. So if you guys enjoyed and are excited to watch, please like this video and subscribe down below. It would really mean a lot to me. And if you want to see what I got in my box and how I liked everything, then just keep on watching. So the first product that I can use in this is these. This is the Wonder Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. I love peel off masks. I feel like peel off masks are very convenient and easy to do. So I'm excited. I feel like this looks like it'll be like pink or something. It's a bottle, but no, it is pink. It's pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna use this. This is dirty. This is the Dr. Jart thing where they use for their rubber. So I just kept these so that I can use them for masks. Ooh, that is so pretty. While this is drying, I'm supposed to leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. That's a long time. So this, they describe it as containing a blend of skin-loving acai, goji berry, blueberry lychee, mangosteen, and green tea leaf extracts. The Wonder Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask instantly purifies and replenishes dull skin. Excess oil and impurities are drawn out and absorbed by kaolin clay, minimizing the appearance of enlarged pores. This rose gold skin-saving peel-off mask dries quickly and peels off effortlessly, revealing a smoother, clearer, and brighter complexion. I like that. I like the whole vibe of it. I just did the mask, and honestly, I like it. My face looks really clean, like just like clear, like not clear, obviously I have a lot of breakouts, but like, you know, like that feeling or you see after like you have a mask on and your skin looks clear. Like, I don't know how to describe it, but it looks good. I like it. And it doesn't feel too tight and dry. The only thing I didn't like is I feel like you have to put a little bit more like a thicker layer because it was a little hard to peel off. So yeah, that was the only thing. The next thing in the box that I can use is this. This is the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizer Super Cream. It looks like this, and it is full size. I haven't tried this before, but I have bought it for my grandma. I've given it to my grandma before, so I'm just gonna kind of jot it all over my face. Ooh, I really like that. I feel like it is really moisturizing, but it's like not greasy. I like the way it made my skin look. And it's like definitely very moisturizing. It retails for $48, and it's an anti-aging moisturizer, perfect for all skin types, even the most sensitive. It's quick absorbing, which I do agree, and it reduces the look of pores. Like, probably over consistent use. Like, oh, this is like has a lot of claims. This quick absorbing super cream immerses your skin in a moisture, restores visible radiance, reduces the look of pores, discoloration, lines, and wrinkles, and improves the look of firmness. And you'll see the results over time. I haven't even heard the claims of that, and now I just want to use it. I was gonna give it to my grandma, but honestly, I think I'm gonna keep it. Sorry. Literally, I am such a sucker for anything that says like, oh, your pores will disappear. I'm like, give it to me now. Another thing that we did get in the Boxyluxe is this train case. So it's just like a makeup case that's it's actually a pretty good size. It's like a rose gold shade, but it looks also mainly gold, but it's like iridescent. And it's a pretty good size. It has a BOXYCHARM in there, and I actually really needed a makeup bag. The next product I'm going to use is this. So I'm really scared, but I'm going to carve out my brows, so that's why I'm going to just do it now. And So it's the iconic London eyebrow cushion, which retails for $40. That's a lot of money for an eyebrow cushion. I'm gonna use the Jeffree Star angled brow thing. I haven't used it for my brows yet, so we'll see. This is in the shade medium, oops, which I'm kind of scared that it's gonna be too dark for me, but I'm gonna just use the lighter side and see how that works. Well, I feel like I have literally drawn on brows right now, which I kind of do. It looks so dark. See, this is why I knew it wasn't going to be my shade, because I am going lighter, so. The primer I'm going to use is actually a mini version. This is the original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer from Smashbox. This is the Dior Skin Forever Perfecting Makeup Everlasting Wear Pore Refining Effect with Sunscreen. I believe this is the one that they reformulated. I'm going to use this one. This is the KKW concealer. I'm going to use my Laura Mercier powder. I'm gonna go into the ColourPop Brow Boss Gel. This is in the clear shade. I am so excited for the next product in the box. This is the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette, and it is so beautiful and stunning. Like, look at that presentation, the whole, even the like the packaging is very, very sleek, and I am in love. So for the bronzer, I'm going to take my bronzer brush. This is the Morphe R14 brush, and well, actually it's a contour shade. I'm going to try to use it as bronzer. Yeah, it's a contour shade. So I'm going to use bronzer first. I'm going to use this brush and contour, hopefully it works, and use that contour shade. Okay, I like that, I like it. Oh, what? So, me being stupid, I forgot that, dang it, I forgot that we had these brushes in here. So it's the Moda brushes that we got in the kit, and it's a powder brush and a soft glow brush. So a highlighter brush and a powder brush. So this one, it looks really big for a highlighter. I don't know. I'll try it. But this one, I already used my powder. I like this brush. It's really, really soft. It's just very, very fluffy. So I feel like it'd be better as like a bronzer brush or even like a blush brush than as a powder brush for me. I got the Morphe palette. I think that a lot of people, like, it was like variations of the Morphe palettes. They're little 15 palettes, and honestly I was a little disappointed. I know, like, I feel like ungrateful when I say I was disappointed, but I was, because I got this one and it is so basic and warm. And I was gonna, like, I wanted to give it to like someone, but like I also want to use it in this video, so like maybe I will give it to someone after. So I'm gonna take this shade called Natural. And then I'm going to actually go into the shade Forever, which is this shade right there. And then I'm going to go into this called Dessert right there. The other thing in the box that actually would go with this, but I'm not going to wear the lashes, is because I am going to a little kid's birthday party right now, and that'll be a little too dramatic, okay? But this is the Lily Lashes limited edition faux mink in the style Gaia. Really, really pretty. They're very like full and fluffy, and I think they're really pretty. And they're more natural on the natural side for Lily Lashes. But I'm not going to wear them today. I'm going to do mascara. I'm going to go back into the Cover FX palette, and I'm actually going to use this shade, the finishing powder. Hopefully it's light enough. Use it to highlight my brow bone. This shade in here in the I Think I Love You palette, it's my treat. Okay, so now going back into the Cover FX palette, I'm going to use the blush, and it's just called Blush. It is more of like a cool tone pink, but it's fine. Oh, I love blush. This is really pretty. And it's pretty pigmented, but it doesn't give like, it's not scary, and it's blending really, really well. Okay, so then for the highlighter, they kind of feel dry. So these are the two highlighters, and they look dark. I use this one. It's the more goldy color. I believe this is the light to medium palette. Yeah, so let's hope it's not too dark for me. Where is you? Come out, come out, come out. It's like kind of like, it's a very subtle highlight. I mean, it looks pretty. It looks very pretty. Work for, you know, minimal. Watch me go outside and be like, damn, that's really blinding. The only thing is like right here, it looks a little like it's a little too dark. I don't know if it's just like a shadow or something. Anyways, this palette, I really, really liked it. I don't know about the finishing powder or the brightener. This is the brightener, and it kind of just confuses. Okay, so this is the All-Nighter from Urban Decay. Ah! I forgot to use this! We got the Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love, and this is in Sugar, and it's a cool tone lipstick. It has like a C on it, so it's not really gonna go with this look because this look is pretty warm, but I'm just gonna do it. This Becca lipstick is a moisturizing 8-hour long-wear silky satin lip color infused with the next generation of hyaluronic acid. I really like it. I want to get more colors actually, because my lips, keep in mind, are really, really dry right now, and I actually don't look like it. But this is just a color that I would not pair with this. It'd be more of a cool tone color, or a cool tone look. The last product in the box is the Deborah Lippmann nail polishes, and this is in O'Donna and Modern Love, and they're really, really pretty. So this one is like an iridescent purple green color. This one is actually literally like the color I'm wearing on my nails right now, and it's like a mauve purple shade. It's really, really pretty. This one's in Modern Love, and this one's in O'Donna. I'm not going to use them today, but I've heard a lot of good things about Deborah Lippmann nail polish. The Moda brushes are $30. They retail for $30. That's a lot of money. $45 for the Cover FX palette, which I love. The Iconic again was $40. The Wonder Beauty $34. Lily Lashes are $24.99. The It Cosmetics was $48. The Becca lipstick was $24. The Morphe eyeshadow palette was $16. The Deborah Lippmann nail polishes were $20, and then the BOXYCHARM train case was $20. Really, really liked it. I actually love it. I like the products that we got in the box this time for Boxyluxe better than the ones in December. I really can't even tell you which products were in the December box because I forgot, because that's how much they like made a lasting impression on me. Like obviously they didn't. This lips color I really, really like, but I mean it obviously doesn't go with the look, but I really do like it. My brows need a little help. I just need a little help on brows in general. Over $200 box, and the BOXYCHARM retail, so you pay $21 every month, you know, for BOXYCHARM, and then every 3 months, like in March, December, June, and September, you get to, you pay an extra $28.99 on top of the $21, and you get all these products in the box, and it retails for, like, all the products combined is over $200. I want to say it's over, even, I think it's really close to $300. Yeah, if you guys liked, please make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed my video, and if you want to see more BOXYCHARM try-ons, I would really appreciate it. And I am hopefully getting a new camera soon, so we'll see about that. Have a wonderful day. Bye!